I'm going to tell you why you're not going to succeed with making more money in 2021. And honestly, I have a confession. I was at fault for doing these same things. The saying goes, if you're trying to catch two rabbits, you're going to catch neither. And that same thing applies whenever you're trying to make money. And that's because you can't go out and try to, try affiliate marketing and try YouTube, try investing in real estate and doing all these things at once. You need to get good at one thing at a time. Cause honestly, again, I'm at fault of this. I was trying 2, 3, 4, 5, even 6 different things all at once. And guess what? I didn't make money with any of them. And right now, I have 6 different income streams. And that's all because I was focusing on one at a time. And I got good at one. And then I pivoted and started making money in another stream. And then pivoted again and made money in another stream. Now, these income ideas, they're going to be applicable for 2021 and beyond. But I want you to get good at one of these things at a time. Dive deep into these 4 income ideas, and you're going to be making money sooner than you think. It doesn't take a few years. It does take maybe six months to a year to get really good at making income with one of these income streams. But that's what you need to do to really make a difference in your life. Because think about it, if you start, let's just say affiliate marketing, that's not one of these income ideas, because those are too easy, right? I need to find some things that would really be easy for you to do and they're kind of unique. So dive deep into these income streams. So the first income idea is buy royalties. What does that mean? Basically, that means you're going to buy the rights to songs, buy the rights to movies. And you do that by going to a website called Royalty Exchange. And again, whenever you're buying these songs, you're buying the rights to these songs, whenever that song is played, you're getting paid because that song is getting played and someone is listening to it or someone is watching that movie. We're going to go to royaltyexchange.com. And what this is, it's just a website that literally you can buy and sell rights to music, sell rights to movies. And what we're going to do is we're going to go over here to listings, because we want to see, I already have an account, but these are just some things you can see without having to create an account. To buy something, you have to make an account. But don't get scared by this, because it's way more lucrative than you think, and you can get this money for free. There's going to be links in the description down below to Royalty Exchange and how to basically get business credit for about $50,000 to $250,000, where you can do this simple method and start making money passively. And so I'm gonna say no thanks. Anyways, these featured listings, let's just say right here, list price $22,000, and it's gonna be making you about $3,700 every single year. Anyways, that's the previous 12 months. Now, as you can see, I'm not gonna type in my information, but you can see that you're gonna be making $300 basically every single month if the last 12 months are the same as the future 12 months. And you're going to be making some decent money by doing this. You can make $300 by investing $22,000. Same thing with this, right? Spending $110,000 and you're getting back basically $2,000 every single month. But by looking at all these listings, it goes between about $0. You can get some of this music for free. You're not going to be making a ton of money off of those, but you can get the rights to a song for $0 in between about $300,000. Now, some of these listings, they have multiple songs in them, but $300,000, it's kind of crazy. And if you want to see me buy the rights to a song or a movie, hit that like button and I'll make a video about me buying a song or a movie, and we'll see what happens. Anyways, let's get back into this. And so the next thing I want to show you is, peer-to-peer lending. What is peer-to-peer lending? Well, think about it like this. If you are giving money to a friend, they're going to be paying you back that money plus interest. Well, it's kind of the same concept whenever you're going to websites like Prosper or Lending Club. You can go put your money into these websites, and these websites will basically loan money out to people and they're going to be getting charged an interest rate. And that interest rate is going to you, and some of the interest rate is going to the website for hosting this service. With the United States in the shape that it's in right now, it might be a little bit more risky to actually do peer-to-peer lending because of the pandemic going on. People are losing their jobs. They're not able to pay back their loans, or it actually might take you a little bit longer to recoup the money that you have invested in Prosper or Lending Club or some other websites like that. All you have to do is honestly Google peer-to-peer lending. There will be a ton of things that pop up, but you need to type in peer-to-peer lending for investors. That will take you to the correct links. Now, there are safer investments in Prosper and Lending Club and some places like that. You're going to be seeing about a 3% to about 4 to 5% return on a safe investment. You're going to be seeing about a 10% return on the higher risk people. So the higher risk, higher reward, the safer investment, the lower the return on investment you're going to be getting. And another thing about investing in peer-to-peer lending is this money isn't liquid. A lot of times with Prosper and Lending Club, you can't pull this money back out. You have to leave that money in there for a certain amount of years, certain amount of months, so it will season. You can get that preferred, return on investment, and you don't have to pay penalties for taking out that money. A third income idea for 2021: sell a course online. Whatever the statistic is for online education, it's going to be like a $300 billion industry by 2025. That's because everyone is going to e-learning. Everyone is wanting to get their education online. Yes, sometimes that is, getting online education at a college, but also people are wanting to, invest in courses like Teachable and Skillshare.com. Links are going to be in the description down below, but you can go to these websites and you can get courses that will teach you something in about, a week. It might take you a week to learn this, but then that's a skill that you're never going to lose. Let's just say underwater basket weaving. If you want to learn how to underwater basket weaving, you could probably type that in on one of these websites and you can learn how to underwater basket weave, and you're going to have that skill for years and years to come. And you just spent $200 for this course to learn this skill, instead of going to a college that will take you about a year to 2 years to learn a specific skill. And there's probably not a course in college that will teach you underwater basket weaving, but there might be. If you actually know about a course that teaches underwater basket weaving at your college or a college that you know about, comment down below and let me know, because that's kind of interesting. Now, before you click out of this video, selling a course online is actually a lot easier than what it is made out to be, because you can just ask a friend. You might not be one to know what your skill is. So ask a friend, ask a family member, hey, what do you think that I'm good at? Because chances are they already know what you're good at. And making the actual course is not that hard. Just go to teachable.com or skillshare.com and film things on your phone. That's all it takes, is film it on your phone and then upload it to these websites. And there you go. There's your course, and start selling for $20, $30, $40, even more per person that wants to buy your course, because that's an easy way to make money online. And in 2021, everything is online. So this is a great opportunity for you to start selling a course. And with the pandemic going on, making online courses has never been better. That's what the e-learning industry is, going to be, about $300 billion industry by 2025. With the pandemic, that's actually going to be coming sooner, because everyone is going online. So you need to be making a course online. So the next one, and it's kind of scary, house hack. And a lot of people don't know what house hacking is. And that's where you buy a 2 to 4 unit apartment, like a little complex, a duplex, triplex, or fourplex, and you buy it for 3.5 to 5% down, which is very doable. I teach you here on the YouTube channel all the time how to invest in real estate. So consider subscribing and hitting that bell icon to get notified every single time I upload a new video, just like this one, but more specifically towards real estate investing. And anyways, back to house hacking. Buy a property for 3.5 to 5% down, because you can rent out the other rooms, or the other units, and then live for free, make money, $200 to $300 while you're living for free, move out in a year, do the same process over and over and over. In about 5 years, you're going to have about $2,000 to about $4,000 coming in every single month, enough to quit your day job most likely. I firmly believe in 2021, we have some massive opportunities to generate more and more income than we ever thought was possible. If you want to learn more about real estate investing and how to invest in real estate with literally none of your own money, click the subscribe button and click the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload a new YouTube video. Until the next video, I'm out. See ya.